Hey everybody, on this episode of Tough Guys, it's going to be super short. We're going to try to show a quick tip to get a screw out of this thing that is totally stripped out. Let's see if it works. So the trick is, we're going to try using this rubber band, which is probably too skinny to actually work. And we have a drill, and we have a screw that is hilariously stripped out and gone. And there's just nothing left of it. So if you can see here, if I put this in there, it just turns like that. I haven't tried this yet, so we're gonna see if it works. And if it does, I'll be hailed a genius, and you'll be hailed as someone who got help from this genius. All right. So I'm gonna try to do it like this. And if I had a thicker rubber band, it'd be better probably. That didn't work at all. Let's try it one more time. We're gonna try a number 3 tip. Is that focusing on just my face? Or
no, I got it.
Okay. The number 2 was a failure. Let's try number 3. And we'll try a bit of this failed rubber band as well again. Thank you.
I did not let you
Thank
fall.
you.
You're welcome.
In your face stripped out screw. That's your quick tip. Thanks for watching. If you want more of these, let me know. At Tough Guys TV, everywhere here. See you later.